Yo, 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 it's your boy DJ Pakelo here, back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to arrange your songs in FL Studio. This video here is part of the three-part series of on how to make home like DJ Pakelo. And yeah, this is the last part of the three-part series compilations. So if you didn't watch the first video on how I show you guys how I begin my home making from start to finish, I highly recommend you guys to watch that. And the second one is how I made my baseline, or how I mastered the baseline, and how I mastered the full track as well. So go and watch that one and two parts, and then you can come back here and watch this video. But if you already know how to do that, and you just want to know how to arrange your song, then go. This is for you. This will help you if you need help with arranging your songs. Before we get started, I just want to ask you guys, if you're new here, please subscribe, hit that push notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop new videos. And as well, please hit that like button so that YouTube can recommend my videos for more iGqom producers that wants to learn iGqom. So yeah, let's get started. So that is how it sounds, right? Now I'm just going to arrange this. So how I do this is, what I like to do is, you can do it if you studio 20.6 and 20.7, you can do this. So the first way you can do it, you can, if you want to arrange your songs, the first way you can right click here, just right click there on, and then you go to split by channel, and then it will automatically split everything like on their own. Did I do it right? Split by channel. There we go. So now it's split by channel, as you can see. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to delete all of those here. Besides that, I'm going to leave that one and the baseline as well. And this is all that I'm going to leave behind, because it's just like the crash, and it's already in waveform, so I don't need to delete that. But what I like to do first is, let me just lower this. Like, what I like to do first is, I like to select all my kicks until my lead. So I like to do all of my stuff in order, like the kick first, and then another kick or secondary kick, and then snares, toms, and then the charts of after the toms, and then I like to put my lead just below that, and then all of the other sounds will come beneath the lead. So what I like to do is, I like to first click on the first kick, and then go down to the lead. Okay, so that's that. And then I just highlighted you. So you just click on the first one, you hold in shift, and you just click again there, and then wait, let me just lower this a little bit more, and then you just drag it over like that. Okay, so, and then what I do is, afterwards I highlight again, but not the first one, and then I just copy and paste it, or make a duplicate of the same thing, and then that's how it goes. So that's what I like to do. And then after this, let me put this. So with two spaces, and then I'm going to drag this to the top, because I like to see it on top. If it wasn't on waveform, if it wasn't like this, then it would have been on top, like above the kick, like those two sounds here. So that would have been on top of the kick. So yeah, that's that. And then, okay, now I can copy it again, and then I'm going to delete the first part because I just want the tom to play on in this section here. Only the first, after every 30 seconds, I just want to play it like that. And then I'm going to highlight everything again. How long is this now? So this is 1 minute. So if I do it again, it will be 2 minutes, and then again 3 minutes, and then again 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Now it depends on how long you want your song to be, but for me, 5 minutes is enough. After I do the 5 minutes, what I like to do is, I like to cut off or take out the sounds that I don't want to be in here. So the secondary kicks I'm going to leave out. The snares I'm going to leave out. I guess I can leave the tom in and the sound here. And then vocals I can take out those two. I can later on what you call it now, what is that called, automated in, yeah, automation. I can automate the sounds in or the charts in. And then what else, I can take out one of those as well. So so that is how it's going to sound like at the beginning. So it's going to sound like this. So that is how that is going to sound. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sound here. I'm just going to take those three sounds here, and then I'm going to drag it over and then copy it again like that, drag it down, copy this part here like that, and then I'm going to do the same thing. So that is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So if I take out this, and then it will sound like this. But I don't want the sound to come in so quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to automate that sound in just for the first 30 seconds. So create automation clip, and then I'm going to drag it down. Just drop this until it can't be dropped anymore, and then lift the middle section up a little bit, and then just put it below or somewhere down here, somewhere down there, and then when I play it for you, it will sound like this. Okay, okay, so I see here is something wrong here, so I'm going to take out, not wrong, but I don't want the sounds to come in yet. So I'm going to take out those two sounds, and then yeah, then it can go on from there. And then for those two boxes here, I'm just going to highlight here. So this here is, if it is two blocks like this, it's 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to um, automate those two sounds in as well. So this is the sound, and then this one as well. So I'm going to automate those two in as well. I'm going to do the same, and for the other one as well. Create automation, and then do the same thing. And for this, I'm going to just take it lower or down, and then that's good. And then like that. So what I can do now is I can do the same thing with this sound, here. I can automate it in, but this one will be like a minute long, a minute or two, I think. So that will be 2 minutes or 1 minute long. And then I'm going to create automation clip because I wanted to come in slow, but not as not so fast. And then when that comes in, I can do the same thing here with this sound, with this purity sound here. Just this section, and then I can create automation clip here as well. But you can do it however you want to. This is just my preference on how I like to do it. You can do it as any way you want. So this is going to be this part here. Let me play it. So for the baseline, what I'm going to do with the baseline is I'm going to do with the same like the automation clip. Because this baseline is like a long baseline like this, long baseline. I call this a long baseline that has long chords and stuff like that. I call it long baseline. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to do the same thing what I did here. Um, but I just want this part to come in slow. So this part here, create automation clip for that, and then do it like that. Drop it lower, volume up, and this here because I want it to be heard before it comes in. And then for this, well, is it now this one? Now this one, I'm going to just let it come in after, maybe like after this, yeah. And then for the other sounds, like this sound here, I can do it like that, something like that, and then the song is done. After that, the song is done and completed. But you can do it however you like. It's up to you how you want to sound, how you want to sound to be. All up to you.